is safe to use on ecoFinish for above the waterline?
What? I guess I'm not understanding because
How do you clean
if you're
ecoFinish above the waterline? For example, if you put it on a fiberglass pool that does not have tile.
I guess the only cleaners that are going to come up and out and scrub the edge of the pool would be something like Matronic's Dolphin series. There's Aquabot, I believe, has one. It's got to be a self-contained vacuum unit that has its own motor and vacuum system inside with the set of paddles on the outside. That's the only style cleaners that I know that actually will scrub the top of the tile. But they're only scrubbing an inch or inch and a half, 2 inches above the water line. They're not scrubbing right to the coping.
What about cleaning it by hand with a cleaner?
Well, if you did that, I would certainly use something that's not abrasive. So if there's a soft scrub or something that doesn't have grit in it, something with citrus is probably okay. I wouldn't use anything. I wouldn't use a steel wool or something that's highly abrasive. The material will handle it, but what happens if you scratch it, you microscopically scratch it, you give algae a place to just adhere to. So you're better off trying to do it with either chlorine. You could also use chlorine directly on it. You could use light acid as well on it, or a citrus-based cleaner of some type would be best. If not, an auto cleaner to do it.